I'd like to talk to Search Loan's Google Assistant.
Okay, let's get the test version of Search Loans.
Hello, I am Search Loans Google Assistant. How can I help you today?
Who is offering lowest interest rate for personal loans?
Acme Bank is offering personal loans up to 50,000 United States dollars at 5.99 APR. Would you like to contact bank for more information?
Yes.
An email has been sent to kartik.tadikonda@.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As we can see here, the customer has received an email from the bank with the link to launch chatbot for the next part of the process. In this stage, the chatbot will begin engaging the customer to first submit their personal details and then moves to questions on loan requirements and purpose. The customer is now being asked to submit documents, for example, a valid proof of identity and a proof of income. Note that we've used W-2, which is a US tax filing form, but we could also use other tax filing forms such as SA-302 or PAP-60. As a last step in this stage, the chatbot is also gathering bank account details for the loan disbursement. Once all the details have been provided by the customer, our next stage of loan processing will begin. While chatbot was engaging the customer, our personal loan robot was capturing customer responses and documents. Specifically, the robot will apply OCR to extract and verify customer details from identity proofs. Additionally, it will extract key information from the submitted W-2 that will help the bank ascertain customer's loan eligibility. Using the information, the robot moves to preparing loan application on bank's internal system. One of the key decision points in this process is credit assessment. To achieve this, the robot will obtain credit history and scores for the prospect from external websites. In this case, the customer is eligible for instant approval since they have a credit score of 776, which is above the threshold of 600 set by the bank. The robot will convey this decision and the loan terms, including tenor and interest rate, to customer through chatbot. Since our customer has already been approved, they can end the session here, or they may have some questions about the loan terms. They can choose to chat with live agent in the same session. We can now see the chat from live agent's perspective, who in this case is a loan specialist from the bank. During this conversation, live agent has full context of the case and information shared by the customer thus far. In this case, our customer wants to understand if they can change the payment due date. While customer is asking this question, the agent assistant provides likely response to bank's live agent, which enables them to resolve the customer query at the earliest. Here, for example, we can see how agent assistant is providing the live agent with summarized response for customer's question on missing payment on due date. These quick responses ensure a uniform experience for the customer throughout the engagement and reduces the chances of any abandonment of the application by the customer. Once all the questions have been clarified, live agent will seek confirmation on loan terms from the customer. Here we can see the customer has been given a go-ahead on the loan agreement generation. And as a last step of the process, the loan agreement and detailed terms and conditions, including the payment schedule and other covenants, will be automatically generated and sent to the customer's email address.